everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I created this cute little flamingo look. Just starting off, you are going to want to take a really nice kind of aqua blue color. This color is Sonic, and this is from Young Nails. This is just one of their gel paints from their Mission Control collection. You're going to want to put a very thin layer of this color, just making sure that it's thin, but it's also fully covered. This color has great coverage. I find all their gel paints have really great coverage, and this is what's going to be the base of your flamingo nail. Once you've finished curing that, you're going to add just a layer of matte top coat. This is my Ugly Duckling matte top coat. This is probably my favorite one. I highly recommend this top coat if you are looking for one that's going to be long lasting and is durable. This isn't going to fade over time. It's going to still look matte when your clients come back. Taking 99% isopropyl alcohol, give that nail a wipe, and there is what we have to start with. We're going to take some alcohol ink, and this is just I think this is just their indigo color. This is just their green color, actually. There's actually not a name on this one. I just got this from Michael's, but they work really well. So you're just going to take a little bit of that and just put it where you feel that it's going to kind of create almost like a foliage look in the background. If you look at pictures where there's a character or like a person that's in the foreground, the background isn't going to have a lot of detail. So this is just going to kind of make it kind of have that depth for when you put the flamingo over top. So just taking a little bit of that 99% isopropyl alcohol, you're just going to want to lightly dab it onto the nail in just kind of random areas until it's to your liking. And I would just say until it kind of looks like you could maybe make it look like there is some foliage back there. At this point, you're going to want to top coat it. This is my Ugly Duckling No Wipe top coat. This is a high shine top coat, and it's absolutely gorgeous. Once you have applied that, you're going to be taking your green and a dark green and a light green, and just using that to make some nice little light leaves. My camera did go a little bit out of focus at this point, but it will go back into focus and you'll be able to see exactly how this looks. Just ever so lightly, just letting it float into that top coat, and it's going to give it a really nice soft leaf effect. Now, taking a little bit of gold, I'm just going to add that just for a little bit of extra depth. Just add it kind of wherever you think is fit for this nail that looks prettiest. I'm just going to add some dots just to make it look a little bit different in areas. And once you've completed adding all of your little details to your background, you're going to want to give that a nice cure, at least a good 30-second cure in the lamp. At this point, we are ready for our flamingo. So I'm just going to take my flamingo color. This is from the Buttercreams. This is just probably one of my favorite colors. I use it for all my flamingos. This is called FLAMINGLE, and it's just going to make this little flamingo character look perfect. So you're just going to take that and draw on your flamingo. Once you've added all of that flamingo color to your liking, you're going to want to take a white gel paint or just white gel polish, and we're going to start on that beak. It's just always best to remember that flamingos actually have a really interesting beak. It just kind of drops off partway through, and it's actually black at the tip. So taking some more gel paint or gel polish in the color black, you're going to want to lightly just add that to the very tip of the beak and pull it up towards the head of the flamingo. And our flamingo obviously needs an eye, because nobody wants an eyeless flamingo. And there you have it. There's the base of our flamingo. So taking some top coat, I have added it on top of the flamingo, and I was just kind of marbling a little bit of some gel colors in there. And then I'm going to take this beautiful glitter. This glitter is obviously Life. And I'm just going to add it ever so lightly and very sparingly to the body and head of the flamingo. This is going to make that flamingo pop, and it just makes it look ever so gorgeous. As you can see, I tried to take the smaller glitters and almost fade it up to the neck and then add a few more bigger glitters on the head. You don't need to go too crazy at this part, but it is good to make sure that you can really notice those glitters. Once you have all those glitters just in your desired areas, it really depends on you if you want to add glitters at all. I just really like glitter. Who doesn't like glitter? I just thought it added an extra little bit to the flamingo. Just a little bit of white for that eye, and then you are going to want to take a nice metallic gold, and obviously you don't have to give your flamingo a crown, but my flamingo's getting a damn crown. I need a crown. Give me a crown. So I am just going to take my brush and make some little crown spikes. I'm just going to do like a 3-spiked crown. Once you're done creating your crown, you're going to want to give that another quick cure in the lamp. Once you have given your crown a cure in the lamp, at that point you are going to want to take kind of like a pink color. This is just another one of my gel paints from Young Nails, and it's called Mega, and I'm just going to add a few dots on top there, and we are going to give it some gems in its crown. We are going to pimp out our flamingo. And there we go. Give it a cure. And I'm just going to add one more aspect, and I'm just going to give this flamingo a nice necklace with a matching pendant. So just once again, taking that gold color, adding some dots, and then taking that Mega color that I just used and putting one gem just at the very last of like the gold pearls that I just put on there. I'm going to add another one of those glitters. Once it's cured, I just actually went in and just added a little bit of like white highlight in places. You don't have to do that, but I just kind of like to add just like kind of some extra depth to any kind of nails that I'm creating, especially when there's a character. So there you have it. I am just going to use my no wipe top coat from Ugly Duckling and give that a good full cure in the lamp, and it is ready to go. This nail will be perfect for any kind of vacation or just summer, spring. Who doesn't need a flamingo on their nails at all times of the year? Especially one that's obviously a queen. Well, thank you for watching my nail tutorial on how I created this look. These are all of the colors I used, and also just my top coats as well. Please stay tuned for more videos, and like and subscribe. Thank you, and I will see you next time. Bye!